Good morning. Wanna go outside? Come on. Welcome back, everybody, to the channel. And look, I'm baby face just from yesterday's vlog. I shaved last night. But, you know, there's other people not awake in the house yet, so I'm taking Gemma out. Let her go before I leave for today. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Took the puppy out. Now it's time to go to work. I have arrived at my work. Oh, we're back again. How you feeling? I want to go home. Welcome back to day 2. I already forgot I told myself that I was going to start recording like this. That way it's full screen on YouTube. So I got to start doing that. Ooh, 10-day work week, baby. Pocket's gonna feel good. Alrighty. So this is when I usually open up the shop. Get all the lights turned on. Make it look good in here. Have to unlock a couple of doors. 1, 2, and 3. Then I usually plug in my radio. Alright, so at this point I'm just basically waiting for the jobs to come in, and I can do little things like the deliveries that nobody wanted to put away yesterday. Probably do that until the job gets in. Look at that. The last 28 days, 40,994 views, 198 hours watch time, and 70 subscribers. You guys are literally killing it right now. Literally. Alright, so our first hitch is actually pulling in right now. A Jeep Cherokee! Let's get this hitch on the vehicle. Yay, wiring too. Let's get it done. With our handy instructions, we should be alright. Alright, we already got it in one tail light. So now we just gotta feed it over to the next one, and our wiring will be almost done. We run a wire to the battery right here, and we ground this on any groundable metal. And then our plug will be fed through the back, and it'll be ready to be used. Got the hitch installed. We're doing the wiring now. I'm just taking a little breather, and Daddy-O over here, he's cleaning up trash around the business. Good. Thank you. All right, we got the hitch up. The hitch is up. I don't know if you can see my face on the camera, but we're doing the wiring now. We have to run this wire all the way to the engine. Come here. Get the hell over here. We have to run this wire to the engine, and then I'm going to connect it to the engine using a little fuse thing that we have to splice into this as well. But yeah, we got the hitch up. They're bolted up by 3 bolts. This is the wiring I already ran into the taillights. They're clipped in the taillights. So we're already almost done. There's nothing wrong with learning how to wire a car. Oh yeah. Hitch is looking good. Looking good, man. Looking. Next job already showed up. Gotta get to work on that next as soon as we finish up this wiring. Alright, so we got the hitch job done. Everything's wired up, everything works. About to pull in this sucker, start working on this. And guess what? We hit 300 subscribers. We hit 300 subscribers. We hit 300 subscribers. 300 subscribers. My brother's reaction to getting 300. Thank you, Josh. Kiss, kiss. Woo! 300! Thank you, Philip. Thank you, Jojo. Love you. Thanks, Jace. Thanks, little bro. Appreciate it.
And got 300 subs. Go crazy!
It's lunchtime. So you decided to get McDonald's?
Yeah, so now I'm going to have the McShits instead of the taco smell.
Butterscotch cookies. Get out the way. Barbecue Pringles. Got this blueberry naked smoothie that I like. And some cranberry juice. What did you get? Pringles, some Funyuns.
And some sweet tea. They be taxing though.
Ugh. We just got done repacking these old idler hubs. Gave it some fresh grease. Oh, very disgusting. And we just got done installing new brakes, backing plates. All ready to be wired up right here. Once we start running our wires actually through the trailer. And then fresh drums, greased up, fresh bearings, fresh seal, all back together with the hubcap, and I'm ready to go. All four, the two rear replaced completely, and just the two front ones just re-greased. So basically next all we gotta do is start replacing these shackle links right here, and then we're gonna replace the shackle bolts because they're a little egged out, as you can see. So we're gonna get those replaced, make sure his equalizer's good, and we're all ready to rock and roll. Got our tester right here that we use to test all the lights, brakes, and whatnot. We're going to be installing a breakaway system and running this two-way shielded cable through the trailer to get its brakes working. And after that, we're basically done. Workday's almost over. How you feeling? Yeah? Good this time? I love being on the top of stilts. Ain't that right? Y'all are tiny compared to me. Tiny! Look at me! Back on ground level once more. Almost time to close. Boop. Boop. Alrighty, time to close down the lights. Outside enjoying the sunlight, you heathen. Are you talking about the time you bought big, buoyant buffalo balls?
Ever had syrup and some change?
Knocking up another door. And we're ready to go up front. I can see you.
What the fuck?
Alright, it's the end of the day. Yo, shut up. It's 5 o'clock. Yo, can you shut up? Yeah, you don't deserve to be on camera. You see? Alright, it's 5 o'clock. Time to go home. Waiting for Pop-Pop to get in here and drive us home. Yo, can you shut up? Yes, Papa.
You were like, Papa.
I'll see y'all when we get home. Oh, yeah. We're going to finish the job up on Thursday because we have 2 other jobs to focus tomorrow. But, yeah. See you on the ride home. Alright, made it home, about to go inside.
Hey.
Come here. Hi. Put my bag and my boots down, take off my work clothes. Gave Yuki a treat, but he's still sort of getting used to the camera still. He runs away from it. Alright, so now I just get some content and wait for JoJo to get off. Forgot to mention, if you guys want to see more of this vlog type content, just comment down below you want to see more of it, and leave a like. Just got done uploading a short for thanking you guys for being freaking awesome. 300 subscribers, that is crazy. But yeah, as soon as this goes live, there'll be 2 videos celebrating. Alright, so the day is now simmering down to an end. Gemma's been taken out, she's eaten, and now it's time for me to play some Naruto. Yes, sir! Welcome home. Welcome home. Alright, so basically at this point, we shower, I finish up what I'm doing, and we just watch Naruto, or My Hero, or Demon Slayer, or whatever. But that's it. That's a wrap on the vlog. If you guys have tuned in and made it this far into the episode, video, whatever, please drop a like. Comment down below you made it this far. That'd be cool. And comment down below if you guys, again, want to see more Psyche Chat podcasts. But, grateful. We hit 300 subscribers today. We got some jobs done. Had a good moving day. Got a lot done. And, stay positive. I'll see you all in the next one.